Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gita Artheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in present age of darkness, known as the Kali Yuga. Today, we're going to learn the 100th verse. Sadhana.
ज्ञेयं सर्वस्वरूपं च ज्ञानं च मन उच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेय समं कुर्यान् नान्या पन्था द्वितीयकः.
The essential nature of all is the object of knowledge, while the mind is the subject. Realize the identity of the subject and the object. There is no other way to liberation. The world of form is the object seen. The mind of man is the one who sees. The way to liberation is found by him who knows he is both the seer and the seen. What is to be understood by the seeker in his own self, that is, the self of all also. Knowledge means mind. To make mind a form of self is the only path to self-realization. There is no other way. Guru Bhakti Yoga includes the path of knowledge also. Without knowledge of the self, no meditation is possible. Without meditation, no experience of the self can be obtained. To experience the knowledge of the self is self-realization. The means to gain the knowledge is mind. Mind means the flow of thoughts. The ignorant mind is full of the worldly thoughts. To remove the ignorance from his mind and make it the knower of knowledge is to change the worldly thoughts into thoughts divine, to keep before the mind the spiritual goal of life. A child must have some toy to play with. If it does not find any good one, it plays with anything it gets, right from knife to the pair of scissors. But the wise mother knows what type of playthings are to be given to a child. Guru gives good turn to the seeker's thoughts. Guru enables the seeker to discriminate between self and not self. As thoughts, so mind. As mind, so man. In order to change the thoughts, the object of the thoughts must be changed. With the change in mind, man also is changed. To have finer spaghetti, the pattern and design of a machine also must be fine. To become divine, the pattern of worldly mind is to be changed. Guru causes the desirable change in the heart of the seeker. Mind must become engrossed in that alone, must be melted and get dissolved in it. Then whatever thoughts arise will be about truth and Guru only. To prepare the vehicle mind in this way is the only way to realization. If a wrong road is followed by mistake, to stop the car is not the remedy, but to change the road with the unstopped and started engine is the proper thing. Similarly, we don't have to suppress our mind, but we have to sublimate it for self-realization. Mind can be friend or foe, protector or destroyer, as it entertains good or bad thoughts. As the vehicle bull Nandi before the god Mahadev in a temple is always standing with face towards the god, when the seeker's mind is introverted, it also becomes the vehicle on the path divine. The mind with knowledge of the self is the vehicle to reach the goal. The sun always shines. The sky must be clear. Similarly, the sun of the self is always shining brightly within and without, but the mind must be without thoughts. An intellect without desires. The thoughtless mind and desireless intellect are the mind that reflects the self. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.